Hello everyone, this is David Van Sicklen here with a quick video on how to use Google Drive more efficiently to stay organized and help find files more easily. So the first thing I really wanted to show you that I think is super useful is how to find a file in Drive really easily. So a lot of you might be aware of this search box in Drive where you can type in really quickly terms for a file that you're looking for. But if you have used this, you may have searched tirelessly for a document and cannot find it. You search math and it's not showing up. You can search fractions and it's not showing up. And you just can't find that file. One thing that can be really helpful is using this little caret here in the search bar. This search box also exists in our Gmail, and you can use that same caret to make your search smarter. So you're not just kind of guessing the words that are in that file, but you can be really specific. So you can even say it's a spreadsheet. You know it's not owned by you. You're not sure who it's owned by, but say it's not you. You're not sure where it exists. You know it was worked on in the last month or so. You don't know the actual name, but you know it has the word math, fractions in it. You could kind of refine your search more and more. Hit search, and all of a sudden your file shows up. So this is a really helpful tool to use to avoid wasting time searching tirelessly in that search bar. Another thing that I think is really helpful is using folders and color coding them in your Drive. So you can create a folder really easily. And let's say you want to call this district stuff. Just making something up. Now my folder popped in here. Now the folder defaults to this kind of grayish dark color. You can color code it like you've seen I've done here with other folders simply by right-clicking it. And when you right-click it, a few options come up, like you could share this with some of your colleagues, or you can get shareable links, you can make it a starred thing, you could rename it, whatever. Here it says change color. And now I could change it to a color that I don't have, purple. I have purple, blue, red, pink, and green. And now notice that these folders kind of pop up better. You can also drag folders inside other folders and pop them in there. So I don't necessarily need these folders out. And now I have less folders up here. They're all color coded and they're looking good. The last thing I wanted to show you was how your Drive is organized in its look. So the default is by name. And this does it by alphabetical, by the file name. So notice it's starting with numbers here for me. Now, this one makes a lot of sense and is logical for us humans who like things alphabetical order. However, it doesn't make a lot of sense using it when you're using Google Drives as often as we do. So the biggest suggestion that I like to make is switching it from alphabetical order to last modified by me. When you make this change, the files that you most recently worked on are at the top. So here's some videos that I've edited, some spreadsheets I made. This one I didn't make, so I'll delete it. And are at the top. And so this can be super helpful. Now notice you also have the files quick clicks that you could open up really quickly. Another thing that can be nice on top of organizing your things like this is there's this section called starred. Let's say there's a document that you use all the time and you reference it so often. So for me, let's pretend it's this Soretta Hammond webinar. If I right-click it again, I can add to starred. Now starred is like a little label like in Gmail, where now you can open it up and things that you've starred that you want to open up and find really quickly are right in there. It can be really nice to do that. Notice you can also star folders. So that is some quick tricks to help you stay organized and use Drive more efficiently. I hope you found that video helpful. If it wasn't, or you have further questions, please reach out to me at dvansicklen@mcpasd.k12.wi.us. Thanks so much.